Welcome back to Coin Market Insider. Today we are taking a deep look into one of the most interesting modern Malaysian coins that has started attracting attention from collectors across the world. The 2015 Federation of Malaysia 10 sen coin may appear simple at first glance, but hidden behind this small everyday coin is a fascinating story of design, rarity, collector demand, and surprising market value. Many people spend this coin every single day without realizing that certain rare examples can reach values close to $50 in the collector market. This is exactly why coin collecting has become one of the most exciting hobbies in the United States and internationally. People everywhere are now checking old jars, wallets, drawers, and collections because ordinary coins sometimes turn into extraordinary treasures. The 2015 Malaysia 10 sen coin was officially issued by Bank Negara Malaysia, which is the central bank responsible for the country's monetary system and coin production. This coin belongs to the modern Malaysian circulation series and carries a clean, elegant design that reflects the nation's culture, identity, and artistic heritage. On the obverse side of the coin, collectors can see the beautiful hibiscus flower, which is the national flower of Malaysia. The flower symbolizes pride, unity, beauty, and national strength. The words 10 sen and Bank Negara Malaysia are clearly engraved around the design, giving the coin a modern and official appearance that immediately stands out among collectors of world coins. Although millions of these coins were produced for circulation, the truth about coin collecting is that condition changes everything. Most coins enter circulation and quickly become damaged through daily use. Scratches, dirt, fading edge, damage, and loss of shine all reduce a coin's collector value. However, when collectors discover a 2015 Malaysia 10 sen coin in uncirculated or near perfect condition, the situation becomes completely different. Coins with strong mint luster, sharp details, smooth surfaces, and untouched edges become highly desirable in the collector market. Professional grading services in the United States and other countries examine coins carefully under magnification and assign grades based on preservation quality. Higher grades often mean significantly higher prices. One major reason why this coin has gained attention online is because of rare minting errors. Error coins are among the most exciting discoveries in the numismatic world. During the minting process, machines sometimes create unusual mistakes that transform ordinary coins into rare collectibles. Some examples include double strikes, off-center strikes, rotated dies, clipped planchets, weak impressions, missing details, and unusual metal flaws. When collectors discover these mistakes on modern coins, the market value can rise dramatically because such pieces become unique and difficult to find. A rare error on a 2015 Malaysia 10 sen coin could potentially attract strong bidding from collectors who specialize in mint errors and modern coin varieties. Modern coin collecting has evolved tremendously during recent years. In the past, many collectors focused mainly on ancient coins, silver coins, or old historical currency. Today, however, modern coins from countries around the world are becoming increasingly popular. Collectors now appreciate artistic designs, low mintage years, rare varieties, and mint condition examples from newer coin series. The Malaysian 10 sen coin fits perfectly into this growing trend because it combines beautiful artwork, national symbolism, and the possibility of hidden rarity. Online communities, auction platforms, and social media have helped spread awareness about these collectible modern coins to millions of people globally. The metal composition and production quality of this coin also contribute to its appeal. Modern minting technology allows coins to display highly detailed artwork and precise engraving. The hibiscus flower design on the Malaysian 10 sen demonstrates fine craftsmanship despite the coin's small size. Collectors who enjoy floral-themed coins especially admire this design because it reflects both cultural beauty and national identity. Coins that feature flowers, animals, landmarks, or national symbols often become more collectible over time because they connect art, history, and patriotism together in a single piece of metal. Many collectors in the United States have recently become interested in international coins because they offer affordable opportunities for treasure hunting. Rare American coins can sometimes cost thousands, or even millions of dollars, which makes them difficult for beginners to collect. Foreign coins, however, often remain undervalued until collectors discover rare varieties or growing demand. This creates exciting opportunities for people who enjoy searching through circulation coins and world coin collections. The 2015 Malaysia 10-cent coin is one of those pieces that has quietly gained recognition among international collectors looking for hidden value in modern world currency. Social media has played a massive role in increasing interest in coins like this. Videos showing valuable modern coins regularly go viral on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and collector forums. Once viewers see that an ordinary-looking coin sold for dozens or even hundreds of dollars, they immediately start searching their own collections for similar examples. This growing curiosity has introduced millions of new people to the hobby of coin collecting. Coin Market Insider continues bringing these discoveries to viewers so more people can understand the hidden value that may already exist in their own homes. Collectors searching for valuable 2015 Malaysia 10-cent coins should examine every detail carefully. Start by checking the condition of the surface. Coins with fewer scratches and stronger shine are generally more valuable. Next, inspect the lettering and design details. Sharp, clean engravings often indicate better preservation. Then examine the edges for abnormalities or unusual shapes that could suggest minting errors. Finally, compare the coin with standard examples to identify any differences in strike alignment, thickness, or metal color. Even tiny variations can sometimes make a huge difference in collector value. Another important factor affecting value is rarity within condition levels. Even if millions of coins were originally produced, very few may survive in perfect mint state condition years later. Coins stored carefully from the beginning are much harder to find compared to heavily circulated examples. This scarcity creates competition among collectors, especially when certified high-grade examples appear in auctions or online sales. Some collectors are willing to pay impressive prices simply to complete their modern world coin collections with the highest quality specimens available. Professional coin grading companies have also increased confidence in the modern coin market. Certified coins sealed inside protective holders become easier to buy, sell, and trade because collectors trust the assigned grades. A professionally graded 2015 Malaysia 10-cent coin with a high mint state score could attract international interest, especially if combined with an unusual mint error or exceptional eye appeal. Eye appeal refers to how attractive a coin looks overall, including luster, color, strike quality, and cleanliness. The story behind Malaysian coinage itself is also fascinating. Malaysia has produced several beautiful coin series throughout its history, reflecting the nation's development, culture, and independence. Coins often feature national flowers, traditional patterns, important landmarks, and symbols of unity. The 10-cent denomination became one of the most commonly used coins in everyday life because it represented practical value for small purchases, transportation, and market transactions. Over time, however, many coins disappeared from circulation due to loss, damage, or collection, which slowly increased scarcity for certain dates and conditions. Some collectors specifically focus on building complete date sets of Malaysian coins. For them, every year matters. Finding a 2015 example in superior condition may help complete an advanced collection. Others focus only on coins featuring flowers or artistic designs. The hibiscus flower on this coin makes it attractive to thematic collectors who enjoy nature-inspired numismatics. This wide variety of collector interest helps strengthen long-term demand in the market. Coin preservation is extremely important for anyone hoping to maintain or increase value. Experts strongly recommend storing collectible coins inside protective holders, capsules, or albums. Coins should be kept away from moisture, heat, dust, and direct handling because fingerprints and environmental exposure can permanently damage surfaces. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is cleaning coins. Cleaning may seem helpful, but it often destroys original mint luster and leaves visible scratches that reduce value significantly. Serious collectors prefer coins with natural, untouched surfaces even if slight toning is present. The excitement of coin collecting comes from the possibility of discovery. Every coin carries history, art, culture, and economic significance. Some coins become valuable because of age, while others gain attention because of rarity, condition, or unusual production errors. The 2015 Malaysia 10-cent coin proves that even modern circulation coins can surprise collectors with hidden value. What once purchased only a small everyday item may now be worth many times more to the right buyer in the collector market. Around the world, people continue discovering valuable coins in unexpected places. Rare coins have been found in pocket change, old piggy banks, inherited collections, garage sales, flea markets, and forgotten storage boxes. Stories like these inspire millions of viewers to start checking their own coins more carefully. Coin collecting combines education, excitement, history, art, and the thrill of treasure hunting all in one hobby. Every coin tells a story, and sometimes the smallest coin can become the biggest surprise. As interest in world coins continues growing, modern Malaysian coins are receiving more international attention than ever before. The beautiful design, strong collector demand, possibility of rare errors, and limited availability in high-grade condition all contribute to the growing popularity of the 2015 Malaysia 10-cent coin. While ordinary circulated examples remain common, select rare pieces have reached impressive prices in the market, proving once again that hidden treasures can exist almost anywhere. Thank you for joining Coin Market Insider for this detailed exploration of the 2015 Federation of Malaysia 10-cent coin. We continue bringing you the latest discoveries, valuable coins, hidden treasures, and fascinating stories from the world of numismatics. Whether you are a beginner collector or an experienced coin hunter, there is always something new waiting to be discovered. Keep searching, keep learning, and remember that the next valuable coin could already be sitting quietly in your pocket change waiting to be found.